Hello guys, today I'm going to explain about how to create a simple Excel Gantt chart because nowadays it's not quite easy to use MS Project for all your project management activities or to trace any resource in effort-wise distribution. This is the tool which I'm going to explain is with Excel. So it's very easy that you can really be able to create a simple chart and you can monitor the efforts um, on resource wise as well as on activity wise. Okay, so coming to this particular sheet, as you could see in the column, you can see the person. Here you can put in a number of persons whom you wanted to track their efforts, and the row is nothing but the days which we have it. So normally in a Gantt chart, you can see how the person or activity uh, wise the efforts are being distributed. So here I'm going to create a simple Gantt chart related appearance here. So first you select all the data that you're going to put the efforts and then go to conditional formatting, which you could see here, and create a new rule. So select the format only cells that contains. So here you select cell value that is equal to 0, and if it is 0 then which color I'm going to maintain it. So here I select it as a blue color. So the complete data becomes blue, and wherever you wanted to enter the effort it needs to be highlighted in a different color. So again go to the conditional formatting once again and then create one more rule like format only cells that contain that cell value equal to, sorry, not equal to 0, and you can select whatever color that you want. So I'm selecting it as yellow. Okay, so now a simple Gantt chart has been prepared. I mean the format. So wherever you wanted to enter the effort, say for example person 1 has spent 7 hours of effort on Friday. So if you put it as 7, then it has been highlighted as yellow. So likewise, wherever you enter the efforts in hours, so it will be displayed like a kind of a Gantt chart. So or even if you don't wanted to enter the effort, directly wanted to represent it as a form of uh, graphical way, then you can also tell it and then you can enter space that is sufficient to highlight. So person 1 spends an effort on one particular activity from Friday till Tuesday, and person 2 is being planned from Wednesday till Friday, and person 3 from Monday to Tuesday, person 4 Wednesday and Thursday, person 5 on Friday. So this represents that an bulk of an activity is being splitted to different persons, like 5 persons here, and on which all days how much work they have spent on that activity can be monitored easily, and it is being shown here as a pictorial representation. This is one way of a simple Excel Gantt chart, and there is another Gantt chart wherein for one particular person you wanted to track multiple activities. So there you can also create, you can also have this kind of a sheet. It's quite similar to that of the first sheet which I have already shown. So now in this sheet, person one has 5 different activities, and the same format which I have earlier shown, the same way I have prepared the formatting here. Um, in addition to that, I have prepared a resource effort per day and then activity efforts. So it's quite simple that you distribute the activities in this column, and then every day if this guy is going to put effort on this activity, on Friday activity 1 he spends 3 hours, activity 2 he spends 3 hours, activity 4 0.5 and activity 5 as 2. So now the total effort that he spent per day on Friday is 8.5. That has been, it's a simple formula, that is sum of that particular days. And then activity efforts is again, it's a simple sum formula which I have applied here to the entire column. When I double click, yeah, this is what. So this person 1 has spent 12 hours of effort for this particular activity. So that represents here. Likewise, the same person 1 has spent 8.5 hours of effort on Friday. So also you can also create some more rules to highlight it as red if the value goes beyond 8.5 hours. So that I will show it here. So here it is 5. So in total, he has spent 9 hours of effort on Monday. So it has been displayed as red here. And how this rule has been done is simple. You select the complete uh, data which you wanted to apply the formatting, and then you can select conditional formatting, highlight the cells rules, then uh, you can define the rules like if the value, if the effort spent is greater than 8.5 hours, then you highlight it as red. If it is less than 5 hours or 4 hours, put it as red again. If it is between 7.5 to 8.5 hours, then you highlight it as green. In that way you can maintain it. So it is up to you to maintain in whatever color that you wanted to represent, but the basic of Gantt chart still remains the same. This is where we have two different types of Gantt charts which I have shown. I hope you would have got some info about how to create a Gantt chart from Excel. Hope you like the videos. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you.